Yes, my people. Don't know settings going on. See what I want. Yeah, man. Fish and crackers. Now, if you ask, see season board there, people. Everything there, everything there, everything there. You got to warriors them too, you know, go on what I said, you know. Don't know anything going on, my people. Yes, man. I pick up the yarn and night, tell the big yarn and night, come my people. You got the artisan sparks. Don't know a thing go. Always keep the fire burning, so no check what I go on my people. So we are going to do some steamed fish and crackers in the night, my people. A little white rice on the side. Yes, man. So see the season board of my people, so you don't know what I go on, you know. I'll kick off the ball game. Yeah. Big belly boy, ball game. Yes, my people. Wanna see shrimps? Cooking a lot in a pot now. Let's see what I go on. Yes, man. I don't know the people how me steam fish now. I'll show you how me do steam fish. And I say all of this are some people. Yeah. All of this are going in a pot to cook. We'll take a good look what I go on the people. See me? That man right just a ginger this and a garlic this. I don't know a scotch bonnet and they are king of them teeth. You see it? Scotch bonnet full of teeth like barracuda. We have your lime over here, sir. You don't know how lime can cook. Alright, watch what's going on. Don't have the pot, don't have the pot, don't have the pot, don't have the pot, don't have the pot. Freestyle, man, freestyle. Watch it. I don't want to take my steam fish and crackers in the fish. I understand one and thing. You want to take a look what I want to do. Yeah. So I'm going to pack them in people. Yes, people, so I cook up the season. I don't know if the fish are something easy to cook, so you're not going to put in a fishy mash up. Understand the paper? Come on, we'll throw up the season and things. We're going to roll on. We're going to do. Clear off that and run in that. This paper. Wagwan. Keep the paper looking good. Steam fish and crackers in the night, yeah. Keep the paper. Train water and that. All the big giant in the night, just sewn up your pot. Yes, man. Yes, the paper, so I make that cook. Then I'm going to show you wagwan. I'm going to cover up the pot. Yes, the paper, so I'm going to stay tuned. man, big up to my people, them. Big up to my people, them. Big up on yourself. Yes, man, yes, my people. You are one. Watch all gone people, man. See fish them, my people. Understand? See the paper sound roll on there. Don't move, people, I'm coming back. Don't move. Remember, people, this is steamed fish and crackers. Yes, man, I say a big state fame thing, you know? Yes, my people. Still not done it, my people. Don't go anywhere, people. Still don't finish us yet. Yes, some people say the big Zach about that and make him team up. See my paper. Looking wonderful to cover said with my paper. Yeah, man. Ready, my paper. Yes, man, steam fish and crackers ready. Yeah.
Oh, you want a video? Of course, you.
Big up a pretty lady in the house, you know, my people. Big up your warriors themselves, yeah?
Is that you?
I don't know anything, you know. Big up your hot wheels. Big up your hot wheels.
Now we are not afraid, although we know there's much to do. We were moving mountains before we could. Oh, yes, there can be miracles.
Yes, my people, so I try to go cook. Don't know, see. Fish and the crackers over here, so yeah, my people. Yeah, my people. So see what I go on the people.
Strangers who don't want to live in harmony. Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me, so that they can't curse me. Bless me, mighty Jaja, bless me. Father, they have done the pits and they're waiting to see me falling in. Yes, they've got paperwork, so without your help, I know I suffer. Hear me while I call on you and help me to conquer. Holy Raphael, be with me every day. They're trying to see me fall. But with you, I
Yes, people, full time.
We're gonna keep them talking
Hold on there, now go up there. Big up the whole life funds in my day, I don't know a thing, but yes, my paper. Ella big day again, my paper.
Yes, my paper.
My yes, the people, so I don't know enough. Steam fish ready with the crackers, the people. Yes, man. You know the thing I'm going on. See that? Irish well cooked. Yes, man. Look at the some people have on food. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. Trouble. You come to your phone, the people, and come to food. Ready? Ready, you ready?
You got a top tree. Yes, me for your TV. I'm on an okra farm, man. Okra man. I want to bring it. Brother! So right now we're there. Restaurant right now. Outside.
Outside.
So that's the inside. You don't come for all your food and see everything I get ready. You know, you're on corner, you're not swag one. Brother! You think we are playing corn? See there? I swim around we go. Some best Dr. Fish. Some bugs. You want about the fish? My name, Snapper. Purple Snapper. Snapper. You hear me?
What got proper?
I shall
I don't know a little big thing with them. We are going to eat some food and all my people. So I don't know anything on. I think of my people. Like, subscribe and share. One love, peace.
You get 1 cup of rice. I said they're going to have food. You say food nice. 1 cup of rice.
Don't forget to the great mango juice there.
The mango juice is a pine juice.
Ginger my people, and say.
It's not a tonic wine juice.
Yes,
It's a
Jaja.
mango juice. Get your one. You see the basket? Mango juice. It's not a carrot juice. It's not a wine juice. Mango juice. Brother! You said they're doing juice here. And all the girls will go in. I'm going to say 9 words. Brother! And then you come on in and have a bank in this coffee. All the girls come here.
Check out.
Brother! Good food. You have eaten them good food. When you wear good clothes. Come on, some of the yard post now. Say the girl you want man ready. So the girl you want man ready. And when you eat them food, when you put on your clothes, you're ready, right? You know, when you put on your clothes, you eat them food, you don't feel Tom and Jerry. You're ready. As you can see, you pick up your baby and take you out for dinner. Brother! Yeah, eat
Yes, my people, you know I have vibes.
Look at that. 2 me away for the food and the food ready. That's what we still. You see the dancer? That's what we say, the food there ready. Brother, look on yourself. The food there ready. So you say they put in the fat them. Food there ready for eat, man. And then sometimes they say what in my cup? Stay in my cup. You see anything in my cup, go straight now we got that. So you say time I eat all the food them. Eh? We want a big good in your shot. I 6 pack them man, see them man. The big flabby. Brother! Check it out. That's everything. Yes, man. Just call and order your food ready. No, man, Jerry. Outside.